Hello dear friends, welcome back. We are recording about the muscles of the upper limb. So in these all lectures we have recorded up to the muscles. We started recording about the muscles of the pectoral region, then the muscles of back region, then we discussed about muscles of shoulder region, and then we discussed about muscles of brachium, or you can say arm region, and then the muscles of forearm region. And in these muscles, the interior compartment, the posterior compartment, the interior superficial compartment, the interior deep compartment, then the posterior superficial, and then posterior deep compartment muscles, all we have discussed. I hope you have watched all these lectures and I hope you have learned something from all these lectures. Now the remaining part, as I told you in the first lecture, that our upper limb, according to the muscles classification, our upper limb is divided into 6 regions: the pectoral, the back, the shoulder, the arm, the forearm, and the hand muscles, right? Now we are discussing about the muscles of the hand. You can see here I have brought a picture that divides your hand into different parts. So you can see here, and on the screen also you can see this eminence part. If you can see it here, this is a little bit upper region, right? This one, this is the thenar region, and anti to this is anti or hypothenar region, right? So some muscles are here, some muscles are here, some muscles are in the palm, right? So thenar region and hypothenar region, and then the lower palm region, upper palm region, middle palm region, and then the phalanges, right? On the screen you can see that your hand is divided into thenar region, hypothenar region, upper palm, lower palm, and middle palm. And other than this, I have brought another thing that divides our hand into thenar region. You can see this is thenar region, this one, right? Thenar region. On the screen also showing thenar region. Then there is hypothenar region, then there is palm area, right? Then there is thumb proximal phalanx. Thumb proximal phalanx on the screen. If you follow the cursor of the marker in the mouse, you can see thumb proximal phalanx, then the thumb distal phalanx, the proximal phalanx and the distal phalanx of the thumb there, and then the thumb distal phalanx there, then the index finger, middle and proximal phalanx, and then the index finger, distal phalanx, right? Proximal phalanx, middle phalanx, and distal phalanx. And then the middle finger, the proximal phalanx, the middle phalanx, and the distal phalanx. And then the ring finger, proximal phalanx, middle phalanx, distal phalanx, and in the small finger or digiti minimi, proximal phalanx, middle phalanx, and distal phalanx, right? So all these, we have said that our hand, right, muscles are seen in thenar region, hypothenar region, and in the palm region the muscles are seen. Let us see all of them. Right, the muscles of, first we will discuss muscles in different regions, right? First we will discuss muscles of thenar region, right? You can see on the screen there is muscles of thenar region. The first muscle, the abductor pollicis brevis. Abductor means it will cause the abduction, right? Abduction. Pollicis means this finger, brevis means short. You know, while we were discussing about the muscles of the forearm, there was abductor pollicis longus muscle. Now this is abductor pollicis brevis muscle, which is a very short muscle. Here you can see it, right? It is a muscle of hand region, we know, and it is located in the thenar region of your hand. Thenar region of your hand. It is fusiform in shape. It is located in the abductor pollicis brevis fusiform muscle, located in at the surface of the thenar eminence. The superficial muscle at the surface of the thenar eminence, right? It gets its origin from where? From tubercles of the scaphoid and trapezius bone. This is scaphoid and trapezius bones are here, right? So they give the origin, right, from the flexure retiniculum, and it inserts into the lateral aspects of the base of the proximal phalanx, right? Base of the proximal phalanx. So that's why whenever it contracts, it will cause the abduction of your pollicis, right? Or thumb, abduction. This is flexion, right? This is extension. Flexion, extension. This is abduction and then adduction, right? I hope you understand. This was the insertion. And what is the action at carpometacarpal joint? It causes the thumb abduction. Okay. And what is its blood supply? It is supplied with the superficial palmar branch of the radial artery. Here you will find all the blood supply. Superficial palmar branch of radial artery. So which artery? Radial artery, responsible to supply blood, and its innervation is provided by recurrent branch of the median nerve, right? There was radial nerve, ulnar nerve and median nerve. So there is a recurrent branch of the median nerve which will supply innervation to the abductor pollicis brevis muscle, right? The next lecture we will discuss about the next muscle, adductor pollicis. So see you guys there. Till then, bye bye.